I found the best diesel additive for the 6.7 PowerStroke. For those with trucks that still have emissions equipment, Archoil is the best diesel treatment additive for your PowerStroke. Now, there's a lot of options out there. There's Hot Shots, there's Lucas Oil, there's Stanadyne, but Archoil is the only product I've found that will actually clean the DPF. It will clean the injectors, the turbo, and the DPF and work to reduce regens. And for those of you with emissions equipment on your 6.7 PowerStroke, it can be a large point of anxiety. I know I worry about it a lot. For the most part, our trucks are well built. They'll drive a lot of miles, they have a lot of power, but the emission system is definitely a weak point, along with the CP4. There are a few things you can do to help prevent breakdowns and failure of your emission system. The first, which I don't recommend because it's federally illegal, is to delete the emission system. But for the rest of us, where maybe we live in a state that does regular emissions testing, or we just don't want the anxiety of knowing the EPA could take our truck and crush it, having a diesel fuel additive that targets deposits in the DPF while also improving the cetane rating and adding lubricity to the fuel is huge. Archoil recommends 2-dose options. So the first dose is kind of their normal treat rate. You use 1 ounce of this product for every 10 gallons of diesel. Now, if you want to do their Power Boost dose, that is just double. So it's 2 ounces instead of 1 for every 10 gallons of diesel fuel. When I use this product, I just use the Power Boost dose. I do notice, especially when towing, that it gives your truck a little bit of oomph when going uphill. As an aside to this, I did reach out to Archoil last year and got a discount code for this channel. So Archoil did not contact me. I was using Archoil before we even had this relationship, and specifically sent them an email being like, I really like your products and I want to get a discount code for my channel. So do yourself a favor, give this a try. It is the best diesel fuel additive that I have found for the 6.7 PowerStroke. It will help improve your fuel economy. It will reduce regens. It'll make the motor run incredibly smoothly. So just give it a try. The best thing you can do for your truck is just run something. So, hey, maybe you don't like Archoil and you're like, you're full of I'm not gonna get this. Run Hot Shots, run Stanadyne, run OptiLube. Just run something in your truck so you're protecting that CP4, you're helping the truck run better, and you're improving the cetane rating so you're getting better fuel economy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Again, you can purchase Archoil from their website for a 10% discount if you use the code PSM10. Cheers.